Hi, Generals. Welcome back. Well, we're continuing our study of solving linear equations. I don't know about you, but I am so happy to be back from spring break. Raise your hand if you're like me. Okay, well, maybe not that many hands. Well, how about you're at least glad that you're not looking at a annoying little brother or sister? Okay, I thought I would get more hands on that. Okay, so yesterday we started with the basics, and we're going to continue to practice that today, but add one little level to it. So let's get started. Um, Many of you may not know about the subtraction property of equality, but some of you might. So pause the video and write what you think the subtraction property of equality is. Unpause when you're done. Okay, let's look at an example. This is an equality. When we're adding to both sides, that is a property of equality, which gives us this result. Now, can you give a better example definition of subtraction property of equality? Okay, here, write this down. When you add, subtract, multiply, or divide both sides of an equation with the same number, the equality will not change. This applies to the subtraction property of equality, addition property of equality, multiplication property. You get the picture. It is when I actually perform that operation to both sides of the equation, it does not change its equality. Unpause the video when you're done writing those notes. Okay, let's do a quick activity to review what we did yesterday. You are going to go back to the notebook file and you're going to drag the answer in front of the equation. So again, whichever answer fits, drag it over. When you're done, check to see how many you got right. If you don't have the ability to actually perform it in the notebook software, then just pause the video till everyone has gotten all of the answers. And then we'll reveal the results. Okay, so let's look at the results. These are the answers you should have gotten. If you did, great job. If you didn't, it's okay. We're going to have some more practice. Again, these are all just performing one of the properties of equality. Now let's continue to check our understanding. Here's the first. Again, press which one you think is the right answer in the notebook file, or pause the video until everyone has answered true or false, and then we'll reveal the answer. Hopefully you did say false. It's the exact same value on both sides, not one side becomes bigger than the other. Okay, let's keep going. Again, unpause the video when you're done and we'll reveal the answer. You got it if you said C is 18. Sorry, I meant to circle this answer. Okay, let's go to the last one. What is the value of X in this equation? Again, unpause the video when you're done. You are right. 7 times 7 gives us 49. Okay, now let's look at variables on both sides. Here's the first example. Okay, we have an equation where, again, we have multiple steps. Subtracting 8 on both sides and then dividing both sides by 4 gives us a result of 5. That's our equation with multiple steps. Now you practice. When you are done, we'll reveal the solution. Again, unpause the video when you're done. Okay, here's the steps to the solution. Again, adding 18 to both sides. and then dividing both sides by 3 gives us an answer of 16. Great job if you got that answer. So if I have one operation, then I am just performing one of the addition, subtraction, or multiplication or division. But if I have if I have a variable also with another operation, then I am actually performing both addition, subtraction, and multiplication or division. Now, again, let's practice one more time. Write the explanation on this side and what you are actually doing on the right side. Unpause the video when you're done. Okay, here's the solution. Congratulations if you got it right. Now let's continue to check our understanding. Again, go back to the notebook file and you can do these next 3 slides by clicking on it, or you can follow along with me. You got it. That answer is true. Here's another one. Again, unpause when you're done. You got it. The answer was 2. Here's our last one. You got it. The answer is 6. Okay, last but not least, let's look at variables on both sides. This is when I have a letter on both sides of the equation. Here's our first example. Go ahead and pause the video until everyone has written down these steps, because this is a new process from what we did yesterday. Okay, now let's go over the principles. Again, we first added 30 to both sides, or addition property. And then we subtracted 3x from both sides. And then we divided at the end. Now you practice. Again, write down what property you're doing and then write down what step you actually completed on the right. Unpause the video when you're done so that you can see the solution. Great job if you got the answer of 4. Again, we added 8, then we subtracted 3x, then we divided by 4. Not bad. Let's do another one. Again, go ahead and write on the actual notebook file or on your paper if you don't have Smart Notebook open, and then unpause the video when you're done. Great job if you got 14 as a result. Again, we were subtracting plus adding, and then subtracting 3x from both sides, and then dividing both sides by 3. Okay, now let's check our answer. Check our understanding. Again, unpause the video when everyone has answered. You got it. The correct answer is D. Well, we will continue to look at solving linear equations tomorrow with an added twist of parentheses. Have a great day, Generals.